What if I told you that an AI could predict crypto market trends, write smart contracts, and even revolutionize blockchain technology? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, DeepSeek AI is here, and it's already making waves in the tech and crypto world. Some experts say it could be the next big thing after ChatGPT. But how does it work? And could it really change the future of finance? Let's dive in. DeepSeek AI is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence model designed to push the boundaries of machine learning, much like openai's ChatGPT. However, what makes it unique is its ability to process complex data, analyze financial trends, and even assist in blockchain security. Imagine an AI that not only chats, but also helps you trade smarter and develop safer, decentralized applications. One of the biggest ways DeepSeek AI can impact crypto is through AI-powered trading bots. Imagine a bot that learns from historical market trends, analyzes news sentiment in real time, and predicts price movements better than any human ever could. No more emotional trading, just pure data-driven strategies. Blockchain security is a major issue. Bugs in smart contracts have led to millions of dollars in losses. But what if an AI could detect vulnerabilities before hackers do? DeepSeek AI can audit smart contracts, highlight weak points, and even suggest fixes before a project goes live. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is growing fast, but it's also risky. DeepSeek AI could help identify fraudulent projects, improve risk management, and even help users automate their DeFi portfolios for maximum gains. Now, let's compare DeepSeek AI with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is powerful, but not specifically designed for finance or blockchain. DeepSeek, on the other hand, has been trained with a stronger focus on tech and crypto-related data. That means it could potentially provide better market insights and more accurate code audits. AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming an integral part of our digital economy. We're heading into an era where AI-powered blockchain validators, AI-assisted crypto exchanges, and even AI-driven financial advisors will be the norm. And DeepSeek AI might just be the beginning. So what do you think? Will DeepSeek AI change the game for crypto and tech? Will AI-driven finance take over? Let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into AI, blockchain, and tech. See you in the next one.